It's you, loving so easy to do. Yeah, it's easy, baby. Think that I'm falling for you. Yeah, it's easy. Another Sunday afternoon, and I'm still in bed with you. Nothing else I wanna do. Order from that place you like. We don't need to go outside.
Salamat dahil patuloy mo akong sinasamaang matutunan kung paano mabuhay sa mundong to. Salamat for being patient pag nag-overthink na ako. Salamat dahil palagi mo akong pinagmamalaki. Kahit minsan ang liit na ng tingin ko sa sarili ko.
It's you, loving so easy to do. Yeah, it's easy, baby. Think that I'm falling for you. Yeah, it's easy. Met you at the right time. See you and I'm still excited. Sitting on the shirt of mine. A little bit, but I like it. Snacks in the late night.
20 years ago, nung first year tayo, sa batch assembly kita unang nakita. Nung second year, sa wakas, pinansin mo na ako. At doon nagsimula yung pagiging mag-best natin. Nagsimula sa text-text, sulat-sulat, sa index card. Unti-unti naging malinaw sa akin na hindi lang basta dumaan sa buhay ko, ikaw. Isa ka sa pinakamalagang parte nito.
It's you, loving so easy to do. It's easy, baby. Think that I'm falling for you. It's easy.
Dear Han, I haven't told you this, but the day I told myself you're really the one wasn't our day one.
It was really enough for me to say, sige na nga, siya na nga. As if God really telling me na, siya na. Yun. Oh my God, I ugly cry.
After 20 years of knowing you, and after all the years of loving you, I still look at you and be grateful that it was you. It has always been you.
If I'm tired, I will tell you. Look at that.
I wanna cry.
Thank you lang talaga. Kasi nandito sila. And complete kami on my wedding. Kasi nung debo ko wala si Daddy.
The world keeps spinning.
Grabe, 2 years in the making, anak, ano?
Ay, nako anak, grabe talaga. Ngayon na talaga siya. I thought
I can't.
she's going to stay with me forever.
I will.
If I was an anchor, you were a storm, pulling each other
Talagang it's bound to happen.
Ako si Mark Samonte ay kinukuha kita, Patricia de Mesa, na maging aking tunay na asawa. At sa kalusugan at sa karamdaman, at hanggang sa mapaghiwalay tayo ng kamatayan.
If you ask me, what I'm doing, I will tell you.
Han, ngayon, patuloy ko isusuko ang sarili ko sa'yo. My love, my loyalty, my friendship, and my forevermore. Simula ngayon, pinapangako ko sa ngalan ng Diyos, araw-araw, Mamahalin kita at ang bawat magiging version mo. Hanggang sa dulo ng aking takbuhin. I love you.
There's not a master plan. If I was an anchor, you were a stone, pulling each other to the bar. But if I went back where we would roam, I'd savor the time and take the long way home.
What we have will never be perfect. I think that's what marriage is for. We'll have every day to always try to be perfect, but love our imperfections and choose each other every day. I love you. I can't wait to experience this chapter with you. Let's go!